I remember when I first took my first drug, by the time I think I was doing grade 10. There was a turning point of some sort. Remember, it was something that's always been there because the next door being a tavern. Satoli car accident in Amachita, last day, a call. I'm a very inquisitive person. After Lagubayin. So that's how my started journey drugs. Yeah, I think it lasted about 3 years.
Okay, on
and off. Now looking back, where it started to be recreational. Bengit mangikholile angisahambi nalomuntu kuwuye wazi uSneyman sekuya mina kuSneyman sengiyamshiya loya sekuya straight mina sekuyimi engikhuluma noSneyman manje ukuthi endoda ngifuna into engaka.
Hello, everybody. Lungile Maduna, Dr. Maswiti. It's the second episode of the new season. Yes, Sweet Talk. I hope you're excited and I hope that you enjoyed the first one. And I promise you, Wuti, we will keep it coming. Please, if this is your first time here, Kululega, maybe call your friends because I promise you this is going to be a very inspirational session. So today, I've invited a good friend of mine. I recently met him in one of the calls that we had in our team, and he told us a very inspirational story, Sake, the big story. And I felt that, this is one person I'd love to work with closely. But over and above that, I feel like his story is a story that a lot of people have to hear. So, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Sean. Gunjan Sean. I hope that I'm not going to make you too uncomfortable because it's no. So everyone who doesn't know who Sean Ubani, please introduce yourself.
My name is Sean Maswanganyi. I grew up in Soweto. I've got that problem in your voice.
Don't worry.
Once I get nervous, so right now. When I grew up in Soweto, I'm a last born of 3 children. I lost my brother 2011. So he was sick. Mina ngumfana nje ukhule nje curious yabona.
Yeah.
Phezulu ukuthi nje sikhule vele next door kwi-tavern yabona. Silala khona. So you'll understand with my story ukuthi alcohol came into my life at a very early age. So it was something that has always been there. That's why I ended up living the life I left.
All right. So, and we're going to get to the life you finally ended up living. But I mean, these are some of the things that we never talk about, the environments that we've had to overcome. Sibona umntana seka unruly, sibona umntana seka behave ngendlela ethize, but I mean, even as parents, sometimes thina sakhula vele umzalo wonke umzalo umuntu omdala umbona adlula bekumzalo wakho masikhula. How do you think this dispensation we find ourselves in, how much do you think it contributes to a lot of, character flaws that we find? Because manje, umntana kancane ukuhamba bhema ugwayi phambi komuntu omdala, it's like a normal thing. How do you respond to that?
So, mina personally, with all these things, there's ngidlule kuzo ne. Umama akakazi ngibona ngiphethe ugwayi. Bekazi ukuthi okay nginalento engizenzayo but bekangakazi wangibona ngizenza lezi zinto because I've always had that thing ukuthi umntana okhulele esontweni. I was very active youth esonto. But I had this side life I lived because I think there was this thing of wanting to live up to my brother.
Okay.
Because he was that charismatic guy. Wenza noma yini afuna ukuyenza at whatever time afuna ukuyenza. So I think I had a shape of a role model which was not truly the right one.
Okay.
Although nakata ngikhuza kwezinye izinto, but mina I thought he was the Messiah in my life.
So almost you'd say that somewhat were you like a black sheep in the family? Did you always feel like maybe you are not enough? There's something that you need to do extra, but mhlambe, whatever that you're trying to get extra is basically maybe not who you are and how you see the world.
Yeah, I think I was in that life for a long time because growing up, I was that shy child. And looking at my brother, him being charismatic, I always wanted that. If I can find myself in ngikhuluma kanje, yabona ngiphila the way aphila ngakhona, the way yena kata akwazi ukukhuluma ngakhona. But then that's where the problem started because I forgot to live my own life. Yeah.
And manje the life of Boyipila, because I mean you presented it in a very nice way because you gave us a contrast. You said Uguti, you're basically living two lives.
Yeah,
but there's the life of Sean esontweni bowushona unjani esontweni versus to uSean manje oseke yabona oseke ethanda impilo yaselokishini mhlambe namabhiya. And maybe also while you answer that, also take us through ukuthi, you know, maybe in detail, how were you introduced to, before we get to drugs and all of that, how were you introduced to this other life? Yabona ngoba khona le life ebebekufisela yona ekhaya, that's why bebekise esontweni. Yes, we can see these two characters, you know, your brother, yourself, and you aspire for the other one, you know. But you know, do you remember ukuthi yini, you know, when the transition came, you know, between the church Sean and the Kasi Sean?
So growing up as the last born, my mom and dad did the best to bring us to the best schools. I didn't go to the schools that my brother and my sister went to. I went to a higher level of schools. So I used to go to Athlone Boys for the high school. So I was in good schools. So where the contrast started is primary. After school, after care.
Okay.
I wait for my dad to knock off, go after care. As I was on land school and I was slanging like dropping. I don't get that time as a look. On weekends, Saturday ngisesontweni. So mangibuya esontweni ngifuna ukucover lesikhathi lesi namachita. If I'm young esontweni ngisebholweni yabona. So ngapha when I'm looking at my brother, you know, he's just living his life. Indaba yesonto yamakufuna yena yabona. There was the element of being forced to church, but mina ngicina sengithanda kakhulu because I was very active. Ngizamile ikhwaya ngawatholakala ukuthi ayangwazi.
Ivoice ayiphumi.
Ivoice ayikho. Okay, primary basifundisile piano, I knew a little bit of piano, all the keys and all that, but because it wasn't the thing for me, so yeah. Yeah, man. And then high school, that's when I started experiencing freedom.
Okay.
Because now angisana no baba ongilanda esikolweni. Now that's when I start to experience ukuthi okay, amajita lawa ngikhula now. Bayenza. That's when I started getting into your cigarettes, insango bangangilastanga kuyo, because for 2 years from grade 8 to grade 9 being I understand ukuthi what's the use for it. That's when I started getting unruly. Ngayekela ukuhamba ngatiksi, ngicela ukuhamba ngestimela because manje ngithi nalo i-role model yami nayo ihamba ngestimela.
Okay.
So that's when a lot of things started happening. That's when nasesontweni I started decreasing ukuya esontweni kakhulu. And I think I was doing grade 10. Ikolo ziqeda ukuvala. That's when there was a turning point of some sort. Sathola car accident namachita ku last day eyikolo ukuthi Zwale kwashona umngane we-21. And lapho bese ngingasaya esontweni kakhulu because manje there was sengiphila lempilo le yabona. So that pushed me back to church. That's when I say double life started, because esontweni this kid owaziwayo ukuthi u-active entweni ze-youth, ama-fundraiser and all that. But phakathi kweviki mina house party angiye esikolweni yabona. Ngapha there's another element ukuthi I don't need to study. Because I've got this thing ukuthi okay mina vele mangiphethe incwadi ngiyalala. Yabona manje and I'm taking advantage of dyslexia yami ukuthi when I've listened to someone ngiyazi ukuthi utheni ngeke ngikhohle le nto le, more especially mangiyibonile iyenzakala. So I would not go to school, I'm house party. So that's when I started living that double life. Ukuthi ngama weekend church boy. Phakathi kweviki ngiyenza lezi ezinye izinto and
start boy
and manje ngiyenza kakhulu ngoba I didn't get the chance ukudlala estradini kakhulu mangisase primary ukudlala lawo manye amajita estradini manje mina I have to catch up yabona and manje ukcatch up kwami ngicina sengibadlula endleleni yabona
so
sengibashiye emuva and remember ukuthi utshwala ngishilo ukuthi it was something that's always been there because the next door bekune tavern so utshwala for mina has never been a problem ukuthi maybe lento le it's wrong yabona bengazi ukuthi hayi noma kunini mangizizwa nje ukuphuza utshwala i-beverage nje
yeah
so yeah.
So now when you're talking about your dad, you just you passed nje kancane ukuthi when you got to high school he was no longer there. What happened to him?
Oh, my dad is still there.
Yeah.
He's still alive. It's just that has his summer relationship.
Yeah, it was a call. So bahlukana.
No, my dad is still at home. Mina naye, my relationship mina naye.
Okay.
We're still good, but mind you, it's no longer that relationship we had.
Yes.
Because mina naye besikhuluma ngayo yonke into, yabona. So I would say I drifted from him.
Okay.
I drifted from him. Later on, nasema drugsini, yabona. He's always been there trying to get me ama rehab. Should weka tano ukuthi maybe azama ukuthi nina lemfana akaqoshe mhlawumbe uzophaphama, yabona.
Okay.
Mina ngithathe ngokuthi no ithanda lama sangithandi yabona get more rebellious but now looking at it yabona
ukuthi you understand ukuthi why lama
moves lawa yeah.
Okay. So and your brother relationship yakho naye as a role model did you ever do things together like mhlambe benivaya nonke nepatini or benivaya nonke ngestimela or benivaya nonke yeah how was your relationship with him growing up?
My relationship with my brother. So the earliest days of my relationship no Putwami, beslala sithu egarage. So before slala, ngitshela itori yabona ezinye itori zakhona angitshela ukuthi insomsomi le yabona but dona kumele ngikutshele ukuthi ukwazi ukulala yabona. So it's those things that I took from him, storytelling yabona. I enjoy now a movie because of the way he used to narrate movies.
Nice.
So, and then later on, I remember ngathi abazali bami bangekho endlini bahambile baye eGiyani yabona. Naye bese kahlala lapha hlala khona. Mina I decided to do a house party yabona. So thema kafika, bathi Hotman lakhe emnyango yabona. Instead of ukuthi mina ngithuke, that's when I got excited yabona
ukuthi sesishana
yabona manje I can't know yet he's not in the mood for that yabona ngoba ukuthi no chance okay ngoba seniyenzile lento le but make sure ukuthi akumosheki next yabona. That was the other element of him of having a discipline yabona. That I never understood. I only saw it as a chaotic pair.
Oh, you saw the one side.
I saw the one side because angithi estradeni uyezwa bakutshela ngeHotman lakho ukuthi iHotman lakho yinja when you only look at it the one side the one because he was the kind of guy bekangathi makaboshiwe bekasikhuluma sonke istory kuma oledi ukuthi no into esongiyenzile yabona but mina I didn't have that ukuthi ngibe nalento ukuthi ma oledi yimi da yabona. So now that I've been through addiction nalama counseling law of gotten vele kuma institutions lawa ngihambile, now I understand the value of honesty.
Yes.
First, before you can be honest with anyone else, you have to be honest with yourself. And to be honest with yourself, you have to start by saying, okay, this is the character of person I am. Okay, I'm an awkward person, let me be awkward. Space is corner.
Yes.
Among everyone.
Abantu aba-adjust.
Ukuthi lo awkward sizodila naye. So but manje mangicala ngiba umuntu engasiyo sebenze overtime.
Yeah, because manje you have to keep up and manje yabona iyasinda ne?
Iyasinda isikhathi eside because I remember when I first took my first drug. Bathanda ukuthi bathi intasha bona bathatha serious i-drug lakhona. I wanted something ukuthi it's new yabona. It's not ukuthi maybe bengine stress or in bese semjayiveni nje kwaba ukuthi kuyenza lento nami ngayenza kwaba ukuthi I found ukuthi maybe ngathi sengikwazi ukwenza into eziningi ngalento. That's how I got into my first drug because I'm a very inquisitive person. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi manje after la kuba yini. So that's how my started journey yami yama drugs.
Yo, and how old were you when you started this journey?
Drugs I taster I think when I was 18, but it was not something that I took into. I think I was 20.
Okay.
Yeah, I was 20.
So the 18, you were tasting which ones? Ecstasy.
Yeah, it's a house party in senza matric, yabona.
Yeah.
Ekwava ukuthi yangifustrate ngoba ngikhona ukulala ebusuku ndikusasa ngesikolweni. So I never did it again ngoba ukuthi hayi.
Yeah, ukuthi
I lento lena. And then later on, because when my brother passed away, I was supposed to go to study in England, yabona. And umuntu kade ngipusha usisi wami, yabona. And mina indaba zokuyofunda bengekho kuzo, but the opportunity yoke England, that's what I wanted, yabona. I was 19.
Okay.
End of that year, I think it was 2011. That's when I got a learnership in apply losses. I started working. Eventually, I party 50 rand ngelanga. Sengiphatha ku 2000 ngeviki yabona. Eyiningi le mali yabona.
Awazi nawe manje.
Nabangani, bangani bami umuntu osebenzayo, they in school yabona, so that's when Disney started accelerating.
Because manje sekune access
yenyoku and manje nale ndawo lezi kade singeke siye kuzo.
Siya
afford ukuya ubani uzothatha ikara yakubo siye la yabona. Masifika lapho sohlangana nabo bani yabona. Yeah, we enjoying nje the nightlife. That's when I got introduced to that life.
And then how easy would you say it is to get, access to drugs, especially in our community right now? And I mean, we have so many people about struggling and many different types of drugs. But the access, how simple is it?
When I started, it was not that easy. Manje it's as simple as ukuphuma la uhamba uyothenga ugwayi. Ngathi nje isitoko lesi silayiduze nje. Ngathi uyothenga ugwayi the way isiwa amaningi ngakhona lokushina ama-drugs. I think every second corner khona umuntu othengisa ama-drugs. Just ukuthi you have to know how to see ukuthi lapha yakuthengiswa lapha yakuthengiswa. But more especially indawo zamanye ezenyawupe, that you can see them easily. Yes, yabona. La edrobheni la uzibuza ukuthi le stand lesesani ngoba uthengisa ama-sweet kuphela lo muntu.
Yes, noma uhlala la.
Those are some of the signs ozobona ngawo ukuthi lo khona something else I think
yeah
not this yabona. So yeah,
so manje ke mawuqala ke so unemali eningi uphe mama drugs. Is it something you're doing maybe recreationally or manje you at some point you start feeling like, hey, you know what, I'm now addicted? At which point now do you feel like, hey, there's another beginning just like if you are puzza after some time, coke no more puzza coke after some time no khaleli coke. So at which point do you now feel, hey man, you know what, manje ngathi say akusukhalela something that say more than
so recreationally I think it lasted about 3 years.
Okay, ulokuyishaya
on and off. But when it's now looking back, where it started ukuthi manje ngasabe recreational, bengithi mangikholile angisahambi nalo muntu kuwuye wazi uSneymani, sekuya mina kuSneymani sengiyamshiya loya.
You're straight.
Sekuya straight mina sekuyimi ngikhuluma noSneymani manje ukuthi ndoda ngifuna into engaka nengaka. So what happened is angithi ngiyasebenza seyicala manje affecta ini. I was this kid focused yabona into mangithi ngiyayenza benginama savings yabona bengazi ukuthi hayi ngoba ngikhola imali eningi at least 1000 rand ethi ngisave yabona. I chose ukuthi ngithi ngithenga ikara eJardini, but yathenga ikara ngoba uzocala ukugena ekseni kakhulu ngabo 6 yabona. Khipha lo deposit leyo ikara yayenza izinto zabo wese ngoba manje ngintwana encane ngihamba ngeBM yabona kumnandi yabona ne-cherry ngapha
nazo ziyancanywa manje.
Ziyancanywa manje. Nini nitho ukuthi Fridays angisebenzi yabona, ngisebenza Monday to Thursday, Friday angisebenzi. Mina Thursday since ngihambile ngizobuya Sunday endlini yabona. Angilali sonke lesikhathi lesi ngoba nangapha nginama intakes wama drugs la yabona. Monday esikolweni eSpanini
akhona
ukufunction baqale bangise kuma disciplinary hearing in bangise ku clinic yabona. Okay, kube indaba ukuthi emfethu uthole rehab yabona, because siyabona ukuthi khona into oyidlayo ukuthi i-affect umsebenzi wakho. And I was like, I don't need rehab. because I've still got that picture Hotman Lam. Hotman Lam beliziyekela lezi. Belibhema liziyeke. Now when I look at it, I was not at the point ukuthi but nje I sing addicted. I like to call it the invincible line. Bengingakayijump that invincible line of addiction. But thema kuphela isibani sengibhekane nelokishi. Ngithi ngiya-apply sekwenzeka into entsha elifini yami I've never experienced disappointment.
Okay.
So bengithi mangenza into iyenzeka.
Yeah.
Now manje sekuqala disappointment ngento ezincane mangifaka i-CV ngithola i-call. Mangenza into ayenzeka ikara nayo manje sinenkinga nyana ngoba ngikhule ngazi ukuthi imoto yanakekelwa mayinenkinga uyayibhaka angisakwazi ukuhamba ngale kara ngoba nayo expensive for mina ipetrol yakhona manje sengibhake nemoto manje ngapha ngifuna ukuhlala ngiphethe lento sekuyacala manje progressa. That's when I got into crystal meth because crystal meth was much stronger than living ibhema not knowing ukuthi manje I'm taking a step further. Crystal meth saqala nayo sisinefa kwaba ukuthi khona ozayo uthi no lento lena nibhema wrong qala nokulayita lento hayi kuyilayita kuhambe nayo yonke into. That's when mangiqala ukuyilayita. That's when I chose to tell my parents nasiswami ukuthi no man, you know what, sekunenkinga la, I need to go to rehab. Kusho mina. I went to my first rehab.
Buzwani yini into eyenza ukuthi njengoba manje sengiyilayita manje sengiyabona ukuthi ayilena I'm on my way to hell now.
Sekwenzeka izinto manje eziphikisana nale wengikhule ngakhona.
Okay.
Ukhumbule ngikhulele esontweni, I know every values umuntu kumele izinto nezinto engamelanga aziyenza yabona. And manje angisabhemi lele kuthiwa i-Richmond Scheme, sengibhemi iCrystal and iCrystal igcwele ngokuthi kumele kuyophandwa. Kumele kwenzweni.
Community yakhona.
Impilo efast yatshontshwa yabona. So nenini mina nginokuba novalo lokuphuma ebusuku. And kumele ngibuyele endlini lapha ngisakwazi ukubuyela endlini ngoba manje nginovalo lokuvaya istradeni and istrada lesengiphila kuso manje into engithusayo nalabantu engiphila nabo manje yabona ukuthi laba ngiyabazi bayenzani. So mangihambi nabo ngihlangana nalabo abanye bayenza yona lento le yabona
ama-gang izinto njengalezo
ngoba manje amanye amajita aphuma ejele yabona manje sengikule community leyo manje I need to start adapting into no. Athi ngibatshele endlini ukuthi hayi man rehab.
Yes.
Ngivanye rehab. Mangibuye rehab ngihlale boma 1 year. But because ngiphuze alcohol, that was easier for me ukuthi ngibuyele lapha ya.
Okay.
Because manje nini ngiphuzile angifuni ukuyolala abantu. Laba balapha esportini bangibhorile. Mangifika lapha amajita aphethe icherry ezintsha yabona ngithi nala.
Yeah.
Ngizophuma nomntana we1 yabona manje nami sengiyathenga yabona kube nalento ukuthi kumele ngikhaphe imali yami ngoba ngeke ngithenge ngingatholi next.
Yes.
So yeah, the relapse leyo, my first relapse. It didn't hit me that much psychologically relapse yokuqala until I wanted to stop again.
So uqala stop again. So njengoba sekune relapse.
Yeah.
How long are you now, in drugs again before your next rehab?
I mean, first 5 rehabs. I'm ngifuna rehab bekushesha.
Yeah.
Bekushesha man, bekushesha.
But bobhema isikhathi esingakanani before uthi ngifuna ukuya ubone futhi ukuthi I must go back to rehab?
8 months a year.
8 months a year and then relapse.
Relapse. I know ngifuna rehab because my first time ngiya rehab I stayed about a year. And then I relapsed and then I smoked for about 6 months. And then I rehab. Ngithema ngiphuma ku my second rehab lapho kufanele ukuthi ngirelapse ngise-rehab.
Jesus, impossible leyo.
Yeah, it's very possible.
Uloku khona uphakathi.
Ngise-rehab phakathi nge-mindset. Because angakafuni ukushift i-mindset yami from abantu engizobloma nabo. Mangiphuma ngisafuna ukuthi mangiphuma la ngizophuma ngifit yabona laba ngizobagcwalisela ngeke ngisabhema the way bengibhema ngakhona ngeke ngisahamba lamakhona lawa yabona. Not knowing ukuthi rehab i-relapse it hits you 10 times more yabona. Because mangabe bengitshontsha ejardini mangibuye rehab mangizo-relapse angeke ngisatshontsha ejardini ngitshontsha estradini. And estradini bayashaya.
Yeah.
Umphakathi ungishayile man.
Uyayazi lapho.
Ngiyayazi. Uyayazi.
Hey, mase bathi mbambe. Uwe loyo yabaleka.
That's the first time ngibanjwa umphakathi bengibaleka ibhuku because bengigcoka amabhuku ayi3 the way bese ngiphele ngakhona. kwawibhoko leli eliphezulu lawa la
Drip.
enyaweni la ngidrip
Esa.
kwaba kubanjwa kwami umphakathi yabona and ngibanjwa umphakathi waseKaslani
Yo.
yabona aboma-oledi laba
Obazi.
abantu engibaziyo aboma-oledi bathi no wena uzoshawa yithi laba bakuyeke labo wena umntana ethu siyakwazi ukuthi umntana o-right yabona
Sure.
there's still that thing yokuthi umntana o-right but manje sizokulungisa thina ukuthi ube right ube lo mntana esimfunayo so yeah
Bakusho.
bangithela ngamanzi aboma-oledi bangishaya ngamabhande yabona nani mina ngazifaka mina evenini yabona lakuhada ngazifaka ngathi hayi no
Yeah,
sengizwile ngayohlala 4 days because bengingene ngilimele yabona there was nothing they can do ukuthi nje bangisuse lapho ngahlala 4 days ngabuya ngathi imcondo ngathi ufuna ukutshintsha nyana yabona I applied for my next rehab. I rehab MS3. That's when I found ama programs lawa sohambayo manje yabona i-12 step program. Found the 12 step program ngiphuma ngoDecember nge-15 yabona. Nge-16 out yami istrip ikara yayo. Out yami beyibhaye ikara efana neyami. Ithole car accident istrip ikara. Ngisizana nayo mina ukuthi manje yabona kuthengiswa ama-parts nani. Pick up utshwala angithi utshwala akusinkingi but ngitsheliwe lapha ukuthi wena you've got a disease of addiction you must not touch alcohol yabona ngoba izokubuyisela emuva it didn't last nge-31 zaka December bese ngirelapsile fully sengibhema futhi by March bengiz admit back to rehab for the 4th time yabona ngangena rehab ngaphuma ngalast about 2 weeks. That's when I feel ukuthi lapho bese ngijumpile the invincible line of addiction because my life yami bese revolve around ama drugs so nasendlini bengikwazi ukuhlala boma 5 days ngingaphumi ngihlala ngibhema kwaya ngenza next ngihleli nje endlini yabona but mangiphuma la ngathi kunesilwane esifuna ukuthi manje ngiyele yabona so into inokuqathisa uma-oledi futhi ngaphuma ngigcoke kahle emangibuya ngiyobuya ngigcoke ezinye impahla ngathi bezithengiswa ngizigcokile yabona ngathi manje uma-oledi yabona indaba zokuthengela ney'mpahla azisasebenzi because manje kuyafana uyayithenga into entsha uzobuya agcoke yakudala lo muntu yabona so yeah that was my 4th rehab and then rehab yami is 5 I think I went to the very same rehab eBara yabona ngazi-admitha nakhona ngangena ngahlala leyo angizange ngihlale ne-6 weeks ngihleli about 4 weeks because bengizitshela ukuthi angikakabi bad ngizophuma ngisase-right ngicontinue lapho but rehab engishayelile yokugcina 6 it took the social worker about 8 months ukuthi angiplace and mina ngijwayele ukuthi mangithi yeah this week ngifuna i-rehab next week ngiyahamba that's when chaos eningi happened
kule 8 months
kule 8 months lena kuphuma amazinyo imiphakathi futhi kunale style lesokuthi mawublome namajita angikawuzayo more especially lawa phuma ejele mawuke wabhema into yabo kumele uyi-replace nga something yabona so one of the traumas happened la ukuthi nginale out yami sebayasithatha manje angithi asinamali thina indesibhema into zabo they wanted to parade us elokishini singagcokanga ngapha kuphethwe namagoni yabona sharp kube ukuthi iphelela khona la ejardini but seyenzekile and manje baningi labantu kune-chair kunani sesikhumulisiwe khona lapho sihleli it was hectic that's when the screw turned ukuthi no man
I can't subject myself to this mangicabanga ukuthi ngiphume ekhaya eligrand ama-opportunities wami ukuphila impilo egrand wonke alana yabona so why should I live this life yabona ngoba labantu labo they don't care about life but mina I still have this picture yokuthi ngingaphila impilo egrand that's when ushintsho wayenzeka yabona but ngithema ngitshela uma-oledi ukuthi man ngifuna uke-rehab oledi lathi ngoba kade
ayazi le nkulumo lena yabona so wena uzosho uzoyenza ngithi azazi izinto ekumele uzithole ukuthi ufuna uke-rehab ngathi ya bengizenza namhlanje maybe ngiyenza i-copy leli linye ilanga ngenze ini yabona ngizibeke la oledi la ngithi okay sobona yabona anginanefoni angikwazi ukufonela social development ngizitholele i-booking ukuthi ngibone social work yabona so yeah it was bad.
Yo. Yes, what an experience.
Yeah.
So manje njengoba yonke lento yenzeka endlini bathini uthini umama njengoba njalo uyabuya bakukhenikile uyabuya usenamazinyo
azwadona kunesikhathi lapho i-oledi ne the way bese ngimoshe ngakhona endlini ne oledi netime abavumelana ukuthi no hayi out phuma futhi yabona lelanga lele ngihamba ngalo kuba indawo yokuthini hayi man ngizohlala ngiphandile yabona ngoba hayi sinala ma Nigerian lawo senza nawo izinto yabona because bese ngihamba nalapho should bese sithengisa amakhadi wasebank should uthola umuntu avula ikhadi lasebank silinikeza ama Nigerian thina ama Nigerian asinika imali it happened ukuthi masifika la edrobheni I'm thinking it was 2 days after ngicoshiwe endlini 2 days later wava ukuthi le deal esithi siyayenza kanti lo samba naye unokhela ama Nigerian noma manje sebafuna ukusponsor building manje yeah ngikhona ukubaleka angikwazi ukubuyela okushina ngiphethe ngamali kusebusuku that's when I found myself ngale ngase north ngithola ikhona nyana ngithola iplastic ukuthi ngigidle khona ngizovuka ekseni ngibona iplan ngoba kuzobe kusekuseni yabo and yazi idorobha ebusuku le raf thola ikhona nyana ngigidle kwaba ukuthi ngihlangana nezinye njengoba ngilele kanje nakhona ziyangikhahlela zisho ukuthi ngifile yaba ethi kimi indoda sikhuphuke wena uyolala le phezulu zange ngisale ngase Hillbrow le building la khona nalo alinama lights yabona ngafike ngangena la ngahlala nabafethu about another 4 days yabo manje abafethu the way baphila ngakhona no man this is too much animalistic level yabona abantu la labantu laba bazojikela mina laba ngoba manje laba the way kungakhona umuntu ugwazwa manje nihleli nje uyabona so kwaba ukuthi no man kuvuka la headings leya kimi ukuthi no man nicho wena not deserve kuba you're not supposed to be here that inner self wakhuluma na matacho wele jardini ngithe ngifike ejardini ngigcoke ezinye izinto uma already ngithe mangifika shooting ngifika nakhona ebusuku ngithi nje yazi ethi umzamo uma already ngifune nje igawula yabona bese ngiyavaya hayi ma already sema ngibheka wabona hayi awukwazi ukuhamba wena ngena ugeze udle uhamba uyolala yabona indaba yakho seyikhuluma kahle ekseni that's why how ngibuyele kanjalo ejardini and yeah man although bese ngizama yabona ukuthi ngoba ngiyazizwa ukuthi no lempilo la ngisayikhona ngiyankawuza manje angisayi kakhulu
uzama
ukulimit kushuthi mangibuye late endlini ngibuye ngabo 12 yabona but manje ekseni kumele ngiphume ngoba nini obviously depending on the crowd yabona nini manibhemile mawubhemena laba badawunisa ngenyawuphi nene nawe kumele uzithole udawunisile ngenyawuphi manje inyawuphi yenzani
udawunisa like ukwenzani uyayidesha ngenyawuphi
uyidesha ngenyawuphi shuthi angithi crystal apha
okay
yabona so mawubheme crystal you become so vigilant awulali kangangokuthi umuntu okhuluma lenzansi sihleli la ngiyamuzwa
okay
yabona ungazibuza wena ukuthi umuzwe kanjani wena lo muntu o downstairs wena yabona ngimzwile yabona and because ana too much paranoia yabona so that's why lapho kuzongena khona indaba zokudownisa yabona because angithi inyawo it's a down man it's a down so uzama ukukhama le level yale lento ibhemile
so umuntu ongena idea nje ukuthi kahle ama drugs you know kenzakalani mawuncancatheke na into ebengifuna ukuyiunderstand ukuthi bakuthi uncancathekile usukuzwani yini lento oyizwayo
so when it comes to inyawupe ne ukuncancatheka uthi uvuka nje ekseni uyazamula uqeda ukuvuka uyazamula phuma inyembezi akukaqali ama-pain asesiswini ngoba mase ucala sokucrave kakhulu inyawupe uzozwa amakhathi ngathi bakushaya nge-race yabona so that's when ubona lapho manje kumele ubheme uma uceda ukubhema lapho hayi ukuthi ayaphela abangcono yabona until uzubheme futhi until umzimba wakho ugcwale lento yabona
yes
and then when it comes to i-crystal meth i-craving yakhona is just psychological that's why I feel good it was the hardest drug ukuthi ngistophe mina le yabona because ngithi ngihleli kanje angicabanganga yona ngicabanga izinto engingaziyenza mangibheme yona
okay
ngihleli kanje ngikhathele but ngiyazi ukuthi mangingabhema yona kayi-1 superman ngenza le office ngaliklina lonke
no yonke into
lonke shoot nani nithi manibuya ninowashelene impahla zenu yabona So leyo energy leyo yiyo lebe yenza ukuthi nasebusuku thokuthi ngabo 2-3 uhambe estradeni ufuna into ongayitshona nje yabona because there's nothing you can do awukwazi ukuhlala steady
une
energy eningi kakhulu
maka awakunala ungayichanela khona at least uphume na something right
next because nento moyicabanga you can't think of something uyicede.
So what advice would you give to I know this is a very difficult question I'm going to ask. I-advice ongayinika umama onenkinga yomntana obhema ama-drugs yini?
As hard as it is, support, man. Support, the one. Ngampheleli umoya. Just try by all means ukuthi ubekele pride aside. Yabona. Umntana akazenzanga ukuthi abe this disease of addiction yabona ukuthi nje yena it manifests itself ngama drugs ukhula nayo le disease lena yabona because we call it a disease because it's the only logical way we can think of ukuthi how do you become like this yabona because manje angizalwanga nayo le disease but nginayo it's on me ukuthi ngimanage but if I don't have the tools to manage it and the support to manage it izo spiral. No.
Only lakho mangifika lapha sixoxa. I remember I think you guys were walking me out. I can't remember how we got into that conversation about ipapa nama futevors. Awubatshele labantu ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Ngipapa nama futevors. Only lakho lathi hey uyizonda kabi G-Vox. Namhlanje ukubona iVox.
So yabona uphila estradini yabona akuphandeki everyday yabona ngeke niphande everyday kokunye niyaphanda imali nithole mara mele uyothenga into yokubhema sen neglecta wena self awudli so thona bo ma 4 days ungadli yabona mawuphethe 5 rand uyacabanga ukuthi esani 5 rand bakhunya 5 angeke alunge C4 yabona no man ipapa lapha ebhayisa khona inyama or igawulo leli lasestradeni ipapa i5 rand yabona sithenga lelo papa lelo sicela lo se next door ukuthi amani sicela amafutha lawa usifudumezele wona usithelele wona la phezulu yabona amafutha lawo yiwa kuba manje soba yishare yabona so sizodlala ilengs leyo basiqeda ukudla leyo simnandi
and leso sikhathi nina aninankinga nayo yonke lento ukuthi nje
at least uzobhema kahle yabona amasibheme kahle ingene yonke kahle lento lenayo sizobona kusasa.
No, I know your story is very inspirational. I think just the fact that you were able to overcome. Yabona ngoba baningi abantu mfethu abadala ababhema lezi zinto namanje they are struggling to come out and I'm sure namanje ngiyakhumbula ungitshela ukuthi you are part and parcel of trying to help amajita here and there who are trying to stop this thing. How's that journey manje now that how long have you been clean, Carl?
It's been 3 years, 7 months in a few days now.
3 years, 7 months in a few days.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So, 3 years, 7 months and a few days. I'm sure baningi abantu now bazi who still have been struggling. Mhlambe babuyele rehab balokhu bayafela babuyele rehab balokhu bayafela and I remember you saying ukuthi you now and again are trying to assist where you can with some of these people, but what are the things that you are trying to do to help these people ukuthi bagcine bawinile, and how does it make you feel if they fail, because let's say mhlambe they try again niyababhadalela bayise rehab makabuya relapse how do you feel when that thing happens, and are you in touch with just them or is it with them and their families, or ukhuluma nabo bodwa yabona or wena ama family nabo?
Yabona angazi ngayicala kuphi lanto yabona the element of addiction yabona I've had a lot of people sithi sihleli kanje siyabhema sisijela ukuthi ulele kade ushonile yabona that's one of the things that drove me ukuthi ngicale ngisiza amajita angawuzayo ngoba sengiclean yabona so what we do umzali makasifonela siyezwa I'm not doing it alone. I've got a community of guys in Yenza now.
Yeah.
We're all just passionate about it. Because nothing was asked of us. Askipanga mali ukuthi sithole lo sizo. So nathi it's a way for us ukuthi sidlulise usizo. And fortunately we have a pastor Reverend George Ngwenya George Ngwenya Ministries uye owasidinga senza nama training asiplaka into into eziningi nje based on addiction yabona. So uke rehab manje fortunately sekumali government supplies free rehabs yabona. Mina mangisaqala uke rehab leyo information bengekho yabona. You had to pay close to 40,000 for 21 days and hayi yonke family nayo lo mali le yabona. Khona ama medical aid angayibhatali leyo mali le because they don't treat it as a disease yabona. So what we do mina every Friday by no chance from 10 until 12 o'clock ngisetla TB clinic. So run ama sessions pre-rehab and post-rehab.
Yeah.
So it's all about the mindset, about how to reset your mindset. What do you do? What don't you do? Because most of my addicts, in they cause a relapse. It's not knowing a simple fact that a craving lasts for 24 minutes. Now as with lenses will last for 24 minutes, you can find something on my yanza, and then after the 24 minutes, so was to come on. Just sharing our tools of recovery, that's what we do. And then ever since should be ngizama bese bafayisa amajita yabona, but manje beshaya epokotweni.
Yes.
Now that I've got the extra income sengiyakwazi ukuthi yazini bani bafuna ukuthi aye rehab yabona, idate uyitholile maka manje kuba bakwazi ukumhambisa sithela ipetrol simvayise, and then makabuya ke that's when uqala kithi ukuthi okay ndoda manje sobuyile yabona. Into yokuqala labantu labo obhema nabo kumele ukhumbule ukuthi akusabangani bakho lapha. They are using bodies yabona, benhlanganiswa indaba yokubhema ngaphandle kwaloko beningeke enhlangana. And then that's when we start ke mangabe ufuna ukuthi sokhuluma nabazali bakho, but akhona ama programs abazali whereby abazali babe nabantwana ababhemayo they can attend ukuthi nabo bathole yabo counseling. Because what's the use of ukuthi mina ngiya recover bona endlini aba recover, because anything engiyenzayo mangiphuma or ifoni makhona misplace ifoni
sekubhekwa
nawe
sekusolo we.
Yeah, because mina mangikhumbule edladleni mangibheke edladleni no angeke ungene man.
Yo
The way bengithi mabavalela ngivule indlela yokungena, mabavalela ngivule indlela yokungena. So manje indlu the way seyingakhona ayisana makhona lapho ngathi maybe I like yangeneka yabona. So it was that trauma I caused my parents. Yeah.
Oh man, that's such an amazing story. So manje you decided to join this business of ours, and this is how we got to meet. But please walk us through how you even found out about the business here at Chama Sweet.
So umamami has got the high blood, which I feel I'm a contributing factor of that, because bekahlala ne-stress yabona, hlala abalisa ngami yabona. But the high blood bekungasinto serious kangako, so bekangazi naye ukuthi unoshukela maka ushukela ukhona eJardini yabona. Bekaphuma izipho lelakhe leliphuma anama tags yabona lana umzimba ubhlungu makayolala. So wabona ivideo ke leader yowani leader okhuluma nayo wakwazi ukuthola ama products ukuthi bekabuye uthenga ibhodlela lenye product nje 1000 rand. Wona makaloku alishaya khala ngokuthi ayilenta lena imbiza lenta yababa lenta yabona. Manje masekafuna ukuthenga lawa yimfuthu engistopayo ukuthi hayi mawoleda ubuye ukhipha imali engaka sofuna ukuthenga lokhu futhi yabona. Kwaba ukuthi hayi uyakuthenga fam. Manje kwaqala kwayenzeka enye into uma already makaloku asipanisa le product lena angithi ngikhona sengihlala nginaye yabona, mina naye aseparate ngapha khona nengcose sister yabona, sizana nje ngomntana. Manje nami ngiyabona ama difference ukuthi mama lo akasa complain ngani ngimbuza ngithi alright, athi no kumele ngithole lezi zinto lezi yafu yabona. And njengoba ngikhulumile nophinda ukuthi imela akufake la yabona, yamela ungene la kule lento ngithi mina okay iyenze yabona. And mina I'm joining the business thinking ukuthi hayi uzothola cheap ama products yabona. Hayi sharp ama products ungathenga mawoleda lo kawaspanisa mawoleda athi kimani nawe zama man lento lena yabona. Ngithi ngizame yiphi yabona, athi kimi phela wena mawungena etoilet awukwazi ungena etoilet ungaphethanga ifoni. Zama le product le ice le ukuthi ubone ukuthi uzenzani. I started using IC. What happened is I felt as if ngathi ngisebenzisa isisu for consistent days kanje. Shuthi bengihlala 2 minutes in your toilet, 2 minutes in your toilet. But after like 4-5 days leyo bengithi mangena etoilet ngiyangena ngihlale ngiphuma. Akusana le edge lokuthi ngathi angakaqedi yabona. Akusana that pain le ngathi ama piles yabona. And then the other thing I started noticing ukuthi angithi the way ngibheme isikhathi eside ngakhona bengazi ukuthi mangihleli kanje mangifeel into kanje sengiyazi ukuthi le craving le yani yabona. So yayehlisa nama cravings wami yonke into like ama drugs or anything. To a point ukuthi as more recovering addicts there's this thing we call using dream. Yabona. Uthulele uphupha ubheme. Yabona. Le nto bese ingasayenzeki because I used to have them every 2 weeks bengaba ne using dream yabona. But
even gulo 3 years wonke lo it would still
I was still 2 years clean at that time.
Okay.
2 years something months. Bengizwa njalo nje ukuthi man ngiyazi ukuthi okay angisabhemi umcondo wami ngimile ekudeni ukuthi angisabhemi ngiyenza yonke into but ama cravings le phupho liyeza leli yabona and liza kanjani liza kumnandi kunalabantu bonke labo bengienjoy ukubhema nabo yabona kube ukuthi manje and linjani iphupho lakhona mawuvuka ekseni you feel as if vele ubhemile you feel that buzz now ukuthi ayimanda ngathi ngibhemile yabona until uzubuya umcondo wakho ukuthi man bengilele yabona then it's up to you ukuthi we'll achieve we'll pursue or uqhubeka ne life yakho grand. So that's when I started taking that product ice angenza ukuthi manje no man azini this business lena man lento lena man ngicabanga ngama addicts abangithi man lento lena man ngasiza ama addicts manje price yayo
price uyabona ukuthi amajita angeke ayikhona lento
amajita angeke ayikhona lento and amajita ayidinga right yabona ngithini mina ngidama nazini kunalena enye leba nokukhuluma ngayo powerful man yabona ngithi it is bayele yona yabona just maybe nje ukucleana i-system because enyazazi na maybe ngifasting lokho ngibheka kanjalo benginokuba nama one night stand rough yabona lo check wakho na mawuthi ambheke ekseni uthi
uyabona uthi
la
yimi lo
nini yazi angithi namachita sinokuthi uza ukuthi eyaloma la for 5 yabona manje uthi hayi angiye clinic yabona until uzuchama ubovu hayi mara ngiye uzama uku self medicate yabona and nalama drugs eswabhemayo nawo ayenza le process kube ngathi fast yabona ngathi seyidlulile lento leyo uma iviki nyana yabona ubona awusakhona over so ngisayoyenzana
ama strata si strong ukwazi noku self medicate estratini
yo masamatona shuthi iflu bengingasayazi because ngiyazi ukuthi bangiphethwe iflu ngibhema indanda
bese uba
right yabona iflu nje iyacha yaphela
nama systems osestradini nje ukuthi banginje ngizoyenza so
angithi nini nokuthi maybe uyazizwa ukuthi uqalwa iflu maka ngoba wena ufuna ukubhema indanda uzoba nalezi eziphuza ileni yabona yazi angithi
cough mixture
ushayela cough mixture ufana nomuntu kade aphuza inyawo phela
yes
because i-cough mixture yona ibulala ukudlula inyawo yabona ama kidneys ayafaila yonke lento ehlangahlangene iyayenzeka.
What an inspirational story man. I think manje ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi since uqalile ukwenza le business what are the things that you would say you are most grateful for yabona since uqala ukwenza le business ubonile ukuthi yazi I maybe learned something here or maybe I earned some money here or but what's the one valuable benefit? It doesn't have to be one, but what are the things that you can point out, which, you know, as a person who's coming back from this kind of a life, I'm so grateful that I actually did this business, you know, or open myself to learning this business because it has given me these things. What are those things for you?
So I wanna, I've always had an issue with the confidence. So the substances were something that I used for the confidence. I remember last week, I told my leaders, I have a fear of doing too much videos because umuntu osestradini angangibona. Umuntu engingamenza kabi yabona akube ngathi uzothenga nani. But having this circle of leaders has pushed me above that. Yabona sengikwazile ukudlula kuleyo nto leyo. And the funny part is ukhona umfethu oke wafika athi uzodeliver lapha ekhaya ode ama takeaway nge-Uber Eats. La muntu lo uthe makafika athi kimama nje ngiyakwazi wena. Azofana nomunye awuthi ke yangibamba inkunzi endaweni so yabona. And I was like, "Hayi Joe, hey akusiyini yabona." But
makamongena phakathi day
and ngiyamkhumbula kahle lo muntu. I still even remember nanokuthi le nto iyenzeke kuphi bengihamba nabo bani yabona, because that's how my memory is. I've got that memory ukuthi into mayenzwe yimi ngiyayikhumbula yabona. So yeah, since I started doing this business, man, my confidence is coming up, not only because of my sales, but because of the people that I'm surrounding myself with. It's giving back that ambition for a life. Because I remember at some point, I remember praying good as because manje empilo lena kusiyo lena. The life is truly because I couldn't see a door out. I had eman bangizamile endlini ukuthi impilo yami ibe right. I remember mele ngiye eScotland ngajike airport.
Hayi bonot.
Ngajike airport ngihamba ngayobhema. 3 days later I find out ukuthi usisi wami uqeda ukuthola umntwana omfana. The reason why she wanted me ukuthi ngize eScotland is so that I can take the channel ngene eLondon ngizobuye ngizomsiza ngomntwana. But mina, because I was so high, lento ngibone ngahle ukuthi ngizobhemani le. So kwaba ukuthi
it became a priority.
It became a priority. Should bengakwazi ukucabanga any task without it.
Yeah.
Should bengakwazi nanokucalculate ukuthi makufanele ngibe ne-kilogram lizofuna malini. Yabona, ngazi ukuthi mayikhona la and then nga-operate ezinye izinto, but it was unrealistic.
Sure.
Yeah.
So much, at least this confidence is what you're gaining, what you've gained by being in this environment. And I think, again, it's a community, right?
That's a community.
Because, and I always say that one thing about network marketing is that, especially within this team and this company, is that you're working with people who really push you.
Yeah.
You know, to discovering more of yourself. In fact, nama dreams akho.
Yeah.
With one day we are born with say, you know, if when I'm it's not impossible. So basically it's like we become like, you call them what? Smoke buddies.
Yeah, my smoke buddies.
Yes, yeah, we're like your smoke buddies, but at least in the business sense of the word.
Sense. Yeah.
No. But I think siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ushare yonke that testimony. I'm Afethu and I'm hoping that everyone who's watching here is inspired by this story. Please, man, siyacela ukuthi nisikhuthaze lapha ni-like, please share this content. You know everyone would like to hear the story. Please share the story. Make them realize that, I mean, there is, you know, light at the end of the tunnel. It doesn't matter, you know, if they can see it or not in the tunnel that they're in. But if you just surround yourself with the right people, you will definitely find the light. It doesn't matter how long it takes. But if you have the right community around you, nothing is impossible. So my name is Lungile Maduna, Dr. Maswiti. Until the next one, Nazor.